Did you know you can make your videos look cinematic and professional without spending a dime? If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. Today I'll show you how you can do color grading step by step, even if this is your first time opening the software. So let's just jump into DaVinci Resolve and do a quick hands-on example. Here, after you add your into DaVinci Resolve, you can just add into the color tab. This is where all the magic happens. Here you'll see a bunch of color wheels like lift, gamma, gain, and also offset. So the lift one in here controls the shadows or dark parts, and the gamma adjusts the midtones. Gain affects the highlights or bright areas, and the offset in here shifts the whole image. So you can start by balancing your image. So make sure the blacks aren't too crushed and the white aren't blown out. You can just adjust the lift and also the gain. This here. And then once your clips look balanced, one part is styling it. You can use the build LUTs lookup tables to give your footage a film-like look. To do this, you can just right click on your clip and then choose the LUT in here. And there will be lots of options. You can just select any preset that you like. I'm going to go with film looks. You can find lots of options in here. Just choose the one that you want and it will be applied. Or you can also create your own side by slightly adding the warmth or coolness using the color wheels. You can play around until you get the mood that you like. So there's no right or wrong in here. You can just choose the style that you want. And finally, you can add finishing touches to make the video pop. You can increase the contrast slightly or maybe lower the shadows. Here, this is the contrast, and there's also temperature, and here the shadow. You can just adjust the slider in here. You can just click on it to change it. Let's increase the contrast slightly and lower the shadow. And maybe you can also add a bit of vignette for a focus. That's it. Your first color grade in DaVinci Resolve. Now you know how to balance your clips, add mood, and give your footage that cinematic punch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.